you got? Oh,
Bubbies.
close. Local. Well, I guess. Culver's is probably a good answer, but if we're here in Elk Grove,
How can you change your answer based off of mine?
I'm saying it's a good choice, but I'm saying why I'm
Okay, all right.
picking mine. Culver's is a good option, but when I'm in Elk Grove, I always go to Bubby's and I always get a pizza puff. So that's why it's my go-to.
I work with him a lot. It's not. This is way more frequent.
Yeah, well, like I said, if we're in Elk Grove, I'm stopping at Bubby's. Shout out Bubby.
Generally speaking, I don't eat lunch, but when I work with him, it's almost forced. So that's why I've gained the weight. That's him.
Do you know his order at Culver's?
Double Culver's Deluxe, fries. He needs ketchup, because watch out. And a large Coke.
Pretty spot on. His is probably the same thing because he's trying to be like me. Well, he gets cheese curds.
I only know this answer because he'll say, go grab lunch, and I'll say, I'm not hungry. He said, I'm not asking you. And then I'm driving before you know it.
Okay.
If you don't get this one, I'm going to be slightly offended.
What you put?
My answer is large iced coffee, black with caramel in it. And he got it spot on. I'm not surprised he got it right. Everyone knows everyone's coffee order as far as I'm concerned.
I'm a coffee
He's
hiatus.
trying to quit coffee because he's such an addict. But his order would be large iced, cream and sugar, French vanilla.
Yep.
He likes all
pretty
that
much.
sugar in that, man.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, pretty spot on. I think Luke Combs, Morgan Wallen, and Wayne and Drake. So yeah,
We've been told there's a bromance in the air with us, so a lot of these answers might be spot on.
The best part is you finished writing before he finished writing.
that is true. I was like, who would be my third one? The two were given, but the third one was questionable, and I can't believe he answered it before I did.
Will is respectful though. When he's in clients' houses, he will play country music. When he's at home, he's playing Drake and
Yeah, pretty much.
Wayne. Will is an interesting person. He doesn't believe in going to concerts. He believes it's a waste of money. I went to a Luke Combs concert, tried to bring him, and he called it a waste of money. Actually, he chose to go with his wife rather than me, so.
Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt, yes sir. If you guys have ever seen the movie Fury, he's a badass.
And he wants to be just like him. Oh, here we go.
He ain't lying either.
He's got him as his screensaver, probably.
No. You can see my hair is slicked back.
Sure, they
Growing
care about
it. Look like my boy. Look at that. Look at that. Pulled up and everything already.
Normally, when you ask somebody who their crush is, they say, you know, like, oh, some actress. But this guy says Brad Pitt because he wants to look like Brad Pitt, which, I guess, true.
Yeah, I think the movie's really, really good movie, but he played that role really well. I think when I first watched it, I liked it a lot, and then I watched it over and over and over. And then I used to have my hair down to here, and then I had to change that, so I said I'll change it to this. So.
Are you scraping the bottom of the barrel here? Damn.
Oh. Yeah, here we go. Hope I spelled that right. I said communication for myself. This is a blow towards him.
Nah.
Okay. It's very nice
Yeah.
of you. Yeah.
Yeah.
I've helped him through some stuff, and he just.
I've helped him with some stuff too. So
Yeah, we have. But I had to
listen
kind
and
of
talk. So
had to beat the words out of him, in other words. But he learned and he changed a couple things and he's happier now. So.
oh wow.
I put communication as a blow to him because we'll have plans to hang out and sorry man, I fell asleep.
Yeah, we do Home Depot therapy sessions sometimes, so
That's true.
it works out.
We both drive down 355 to get home. And there's a Home Butterfield Road.
Butterfield Road.
And we'll get out and he'll
Walk
tell me how
around.
and he'll rant to me and I'll sit there and listen and make him feel listened to because, you know,
Yeah.
sometimes you just can't go home and tell the wife everything, you know.
Or
That's
Brad
why-
Pitt.
Nah, man, right. Ready?
Oh, Nashville, Tennessee.
Oh, I could have spelled it like that. Is this right?
You forgot the E at the end. Oh, I'm pretty sure you forgot 2 E's, but
the
okay.
double E?
Yeah.
I think it's a double S also.
Yeah, it's okay. I'd say
Well, the
Nashville,
correct
Tennessee.
answer, yes. Okay.
Because, yeah, he went to Nashville and he bought some nice boots and pretty nice boots. But, yeah.
I like to say that I'm a country boy stuck in the city, so going to Nashville went to Nashville for 2 days and then the very bottom of the Smoky Mountains for the rest of the week, and it was a good time. Nashville's a different, I don't think there's a downtown like Nashville. You go on Broadway Street there's 20 bars on a block and every single one of
Did you
them.
do Jason Aldean's? Did you go in or no?
Yeah, I went to Jason Aldean's and I couldn't get on the top floor because they realized my ID was fake, so they kicked me out.
They
But
thought
on
he
the
was
first
gonna throw a
floor,
chair down like more
on the
than
first
once.
floor, they let me in. That was cool. And I went when I was too young to drink, but we'll be going again I will be going again this year. And
What you put?
my answer is soccer/landscaping. We'll play soccer every Friday night. He tells me how sore it makes him, but he says he's pretty good. In landscaping, because I've seen him totally tear out his back lawn and just grow new grass in it, so mulch
Yeah.
all good. He built a little mailbox that his wife found on Pinterest, all that stuff. I helped him with that, by the way. 'Cause, yeah, would you
Okay.
agree with that?
I would agree,
Kanye?
yeah. Well, you got the first one. So the second one, I guess, I just don't think it's a talent, but I dabble.
I couldn't do it.
Well, hope you guys had fun getting to learn a little bit about us.
Hope this was at least a little bit entertaining for you. You know a little bit more about us.